This side Ayush, basically from Uttar Pradesh. After completing my BTech in 2021, I started searching for a job in IT industry. Fortunately, I come to know about Invision networking course, so I joined it. The course is well designed, starting with simple things, then moving to advanced ones. You get real and hand-on experience on project, which make understanding simple. The teachers are like expert. They share their valuable knowledge to students and makes teaching very simple. Recently, I got placed in Sysnet technology for 2.64 LPA. So this course is for whom who want to start their career in networking. This is a great choice. And the best part about this course is that fees is very less. Teaching and supporting staff are very great, and this is a great environment for every freshers to learn and start their career in networking. Thank you.